Wagwan ENT.
Oh my baby, now.
Let's have a question, man called English. Man called Shanka. You know, if you man just sound a pastor.
You have no dignity, ain't no love for humanity. You only worship your vanity. Hey girl, that's not all. Hey girl.
This girl thinks that you win up young crazy. So I talk all the Killamanjaro.
She only wants me for my money. She only loves me for my money. She only worships for vanity and no love for humanity. Hey girl, that's not all.
Special question, man called Wise on the gate, man. Make me play the counteraction style, man, just and Palmer walk away. And playing a rhythm wild with versatile. So all you got to do is keep on fall to the place. This girl thing called, play by Jamaican called Killamanjaro. Play by Kingston, loves all I ring. Man, get him get him on, get him get him on, get him get him on. Hey, I chew enough for gal crazy, boy. I chew enough for gal crazy. She claims me up to woman and now she make a tree. Say in the morning I no breakfast for me. Say down in the evening no dinner you see. But poop she walk and poop she talk and poop she said that me do that and poop she do that, poop she get fat. Poop she said that me do that. But when me take a stock it was me bedroom skinny. I tell them that the man is smoke the good sense. And when the Friday come him have enough money. But I is a youth, is a man can see. Me chat up on them and me get enough money. So when we really chat, we not chat it for free. Say in up in me pocket find 2 billion. Say wanna carry 10, the other carry 20. We come to tell the how the super them are greater. Chairman we come to tell the how the super them are greater. Chairman and me say when them come and dance, them no stand out around. Them forward through the gate, me say them take them inspirator. Them come in and they talk, me say them buy 2 liquor. Say liquor for that the finance people ganja and them a jukes in a one corner. Yeah.
When no dreadlocks, here come the final tricks and Palmer. Play by Killamanjaro high power. Roman man called all about ya. Murder style. Chop it up, yam it up, chop it up. One. Got to give on power to get to bring your cassette and tape. You have to come on, you got to play late. All I'm pulling. Arc it from the top and to the very last drop. You know them are working on love is all I bring. Special request to all super duper. Watch it. Bang with a link, little link, little link, little link, little link. Remember the man say, she wants a boat there. Got contracts on Palmer selection.
Only peace and love, let me have it. That goes to you, Mr. Big Man. That goes to you, Mr. Small Man. Only peace and love, let me have it.
Step in a rhythm star.
If you're walking down the road, let me peaceful. If you're going to the show, let me peaceful. Peace and love are what we want in this time. In this time. You cuss abroad and you cuss yard. Even on the streets with your busting that body. Come on to my life with your busting that body, Mr. Wicked Man.
Tricks down Palmer. Play by Killamanjaro high power. Bang with a link, little link, little link, little link. Watch it. Well, now you come to participation. Well, this station rules the nation.
When it comes to
version.
King Tubby's no.
step in a rhythm star. Bang with a ling, little ling, little ling, little ling. Bang with a ling, little ling, little ling. Oh, tell me like no with your fussing and crying. Give me no star. Come me say stride by stride, not to don't take bribe. Stride by stride, and not to don't take bribe. So me not go take no knife, you go take me brother life. Me not go take no gun, go shoot me brother down. Me say fussing and the fighting, me say me no love that. Me say fussing and the fighting are vex with that. Me say the fussing and the fighting mainly knit up with that. Me say out of me life. One. Come and say out of me life. Man with a ling, little ling, little ling. Me have a little girl, me say she name my precious. Say every day they get up, say the girl just a cut. So me put her on a bus and say now go to Chorus. Me put her on a bus and say now go to Chorus. Go take in the sound now with the call Taurus. Now with the DJ name Nicodemus. Me say when you come back, you come stay under me shop. Me say show me black, you want to stop me in me back, lad. Show me white, you want to come for some fight. Well, no dreadlocks, second, Bocas. And a special request, to all spanglers, and a special request to all jackers of the area. Special request to the man called Danny, who was still the best sensei. Special request to the man called Reggae and the jackers, Pussy. Now he come and think called the African continent first for free. Yeah, you know. People, right about now I'm gonna tell you something. Remember, you can get soup and thing and sail out and sail you. But watch a man, hey, come on. Then you get the drum, me said them capture poor people. You get the drum, me said them capture poor people and take them out to Africa. The El German, me said them take them out to Africa. Bang me them up on the Santa Den and me say the Pinta Maria. The Santa Den and me say the Pinta Maria. They carry them all along come to Jamaica. Me say they carry them all along come to Jamaica. No fi come round through the hills and come work sugar mills. No round through the hills and come work the sugar mills. And slave on the sugar plantation. Me say fi slave on the sugar plantation. Me say that what a wicked and dreadful tribulation. What a wicked and dreadful tribulation. I and I seek to plan the revolution. I and I seek to plan the revolution. Cause we are born black African. El German say we are born black African. Born me African continent must be free. Now you come man called Tola in a style. Versatile, kind of wicked and wild. Yeah, well that was Manco Buckles. Here can Manco Barry Down special play by the song called Java International. Reggae the tune to the king, but love is all I got to baby, love is all I been. Rub it up to keep him moving and spin. Flash it in. Mango Barry two just come that baby together.
Come for my doctor. No.
Play by the king, but love is all I got to baby, love is all I been. Come when you hear they kick your better ride and come in. Continue your poop and your row what they see me. So do they Waka. Play all the bounce on the bed together.
Conquer my daughter. He'll never conquer my daughter. No. Going around and say you wanna control my daughter. That is not the right thing for you to do. You'll soon be running, looking another girlfriend, and there won't be no one for you. They will say they don't want you. You're trying to control my daughter.
We take him down and play coming next to the barbecue. The barbecue for the all I got to leave it Waka. Play by the bounce sound for Jamaica International. Come to my ground downtown.
You
I got the king for uptown.
conquer my daughter.
Okay.
You never will conquer my daughter.
I don't
You try to conquer my daughter.
I go down in the area. I don't style Jada. I don't style on fashion. I don't style Jada. I don't style on fashion. Cause there's some people don't know what the combination. Me chatting with the sound the best in the nation. Cause someone call it this, cause someone call it time fire. But till you this a sound a Jaro International. We play and we got this and them a call it general. But we control from ferry go back to mineral. Say we no partial. The German say poop and Jaro too crucial. So you me man a something say I don't style Jada. I don't style on fashion. I don't style Jada. I don't style on fashion. To my lyrics but it is no limitation. And we chatter any lyrics to any nation. Come black off in me complexion. Until your roots of coffee me election. German cap up on the aim of a my kina aim. So run a come and listen them a style and fashion. Them a don't style Jada. I don't style and fashion. I don't style Jada. I don't style and fashion. In case you never know, say we are the best in the land. Cause we clear up and up down in a different fashion. Yes, I'm a poop and me and them a kina me. It's a jam dedicated to the woman and the man. But it's a DJ aim of no ambition. And my ambition is just around the session. I don't style Jada. I don't style and fashion. I don't style Jada. I don't style and fashion. Me say me wackad, me wicked, me wackad, me wicked, me wackad, me wicked, me atta like acid. In case you never know, man come to flash it and no rapid. You can man go down the jail.
Boy, it sounds called the conquer. Yeah, you know. Who will all the lyrics about to get tonight? Original style. You know.
What one ENT?
The song called Killamanjaro. Tell him Tolo. Tell him Star. Them up in you. The lyrics up in you. Them up in you. Lyrics up in you. Them up in you. Welcome Barry Brown. Woo! In you. All of the lyrics up in you. Them up in you. All of the lyrics up in you. Up in you. All of the lyrics up in you, come in the call and chosen up through. I'm on his DJ, just a slightly fast show. You kick off your shoe, you pace it up with some glue. 21 and 21 and that 42 with up in you. All of the lyrics up in you. But when John talk, DJ boy a screw. When Kelly talk, DJ boy a screw. But no DJ boy a big boo, it up in you. All of the lyrics up in you, so change your lyrics, Lord, change your folly ground, eh? Change your lyrics, Lord, change your folly ground. Cause new year, new lyrics, new brand sound. New year lyrics is the new brand sound, them up in you. Which sounds gonna conquer? Play band and the Killamanjaro in a Ruba dub style sound. Yeah, you know. The man called Barry Brown selection, I see the one along with the main call Jim Killer, the main call Tolo, along with the main call Budo. General! Dedicated to every man for matches lane, a spangland for Jack, Pasty, and every person of the area. General! General, one jar, one murder. Man called Barry Brown says, oh,
Yeah.
goodness gracious.
Be careful, my brother. You got to be careful.
Where else Kelly?
Be careful, my sister.
Ribbit down the dread.
Be careful.
Burrow coming in.
Life is for living.
Special request to the man called Noel, you know. And to all the
bossy outside.
Life is for living. Living a dream is not easy.
Keep on forward through the gate and payments great.
Standing with me stick from me hand. Walking with me socks in me pocket. Walking with me slip.
Who was the star?
Babylon, them around
Lord of mercy, Barry Brown, sweet.
My brother,
Hey, a time for we culture. Want me to take to my next door neighbor. You have a soap, you have a star, you have a dope.
I want to live up in a good life. My brother,
I want a star.
I say you got to be far. Some I run up them out, some I say so. Some of them trying to get at home, but Jaja. My brother, be careful, my brother.
Come and say skip, body, scan down body, scan the do body. Special request man call in some selector. We're gonna keep on forward through the game, call it and be greater. Man call Jaburo, man call Lone Ranger, Midnight Attraction. Now this one is a special request to all dreadlocks, you know? Yeah. Lord of mercy. Hey, you get me sick, you get me sick, you get me sick. Hey, you get me sick, you get me sick, you get me sick. You come and dance all man, you start to chat it. But every lyrics thing man, now my lyrics. You come in on the dance man, you start to panic. Cause when you feel weak, you gonna go drink some tonic. You come in on the dance, you have to rub up in a Vicks. Cause you get me sick, you get me played cloud sick. Hey, you get me sick, you get me double classic. You come in on the dance man, you have to weary. You hear it when you're drinking a cup of coffee. Cause enough in me mind man, it full of melody. And every Jamaican know the language you see. You come in on the dance with your damn beauty. And next thing me love your man, me want to marry. Hey, you get me sick, you get me double classic. Hey, you get me sick, you get me plain classic. Me don't come and dance man if me can't stand it. But every day me come me have to flash new lyrics. But at the microphone Jaja know me don't panic. And when you come and dance all you do is catch it. Hey, you get me sick, you get me double classic. Hey, you get me sick, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Well, superstar, I know some sickle said speed, you know. The man called Barry Brown, or the man said Danny Jet.
I mean, I tell you, say, swing chop, boy, after tonight. One. Now, lyrics, sound flow from my mouth, just like a dragon stone to come to what it's all about. So, make me tell you this sound, she now round sound. Show me tell you this sound, what I learned and I love sound. Show me tell you this sound, and I love sound. Show me can't tell you this sound, what I learned and I love sound. But I chin show me tell you Papa Down Row and the general. Show me tell you this sound, so now and the general. Blast you central. Right now me happy drive the continental. Babylon one day not teach a credential. Come right now no Papa Down Row well official. One, come and say, show me can't tell you about the well I love sound. Show me can't tell you about the general well I love sound. No father sound, them are real come around. Chop up and down on one day well I love sound. But I general. Show me tell you this sound and the general. Mr. Good love, swallow dang, little this one, little love, little general. Papa Tango and the general tonight. Jump up and Tango and the general tonight. Feel with sound, the rubber dub sound. Solo, where's the sound?
That was man called Danny J. Acted and Lee. Along the man called Jim Kelly with Iron Evan to the microphone stand. We're come the bags gonna come stand out for sure. Man called Bo, you want to buy the man called Jim Kelly around there to tour. DJ. Say you forgive me for your loving all the time. Are you forgive me for your loving all the time. I me forgive you for me loving all the while. In case you never know, German be wicked and we wilder. In case you never know, we in a rubber double sider. We born and we go as the rubber dub sider. German me say me Christian as the rubber dub sider. In case you never know, we over wicked and wilder. And the man and the wild we under cool fire. Better give me for your loving all the while. And give me for your loving all the time. God is a DJ him finer. Him chat them my lyrics, make you rock your body liner. And when me chat the lyrics, you feel rock it in timer. Come listen to party, him does a talk him minor. German can put party, him is a one of a kind. And it's a DJ invent nursery rhymer. Can run, come on, because listen solo him a rhymer. German you better give me see your love the all the time. Play by the keyboard and girl again today, we love that. Jet, Moucha, Mango, Liga, Jet.
Yes, my lion. Special request to man called Pupataya Moucha. And special request to man called Tawais. And special request to man called Pee-wee. Special request to man called Jamaica Pee-wee from New York. Lift up fast. And special request to man called Jim Kelly. And special request to man called Shadow Man. Matapang, White Blues. Special request. Say the man called Steve, man called Dirty Harry, Booyah.
I don't love that girl who acted to be shy. Those are the type of girls who wanna tell you a lie. But I say I want a roots girl, yes, to bubble with eyes. Oh yes, I want a roots girl to bubble with eyes. Oh yes, because I don't love that girl who acted to be shy. Those are the type of girls who wanna tell you a lie. But I say I want a roots girl, yeah, to rock with eyes. I really love it, and I want a roots girl, Lord, to bubble me tight. I really want it, because some of them comes and go, and some of them comes and go. They say, little Jada, you will start a show, along with Cooper Toy and the Doodle. Now I want a roots girl, yeah, to bubble me tight. Oh, yeah. Along with Jim Kelly, now rock it tonight. I want to hear me, because I don't love that girl who acted to be shy.
Wagwan ENT.
Those are the type of girls who wanna tell you a lie. Lord, I want a roots girl, yeah, to bubble it out.
What a youth can sing. Him should have 100 car and big house of foreign. Oh, here come the man called Barry Brown. Well, you girls, some of them go and end up round saying, power we just come to level down the vibes right now. Along with the man called Burrow Lone Range, along with Jim Kelly, Pony Roots, man called Dirty Harry, man called Tolo, Little John, and a whole heap, you know, whole heap of soup, you know. Do it there. Special request to all the masters, the man called Pee-wee, the man called Jawais.
Them a fight, but them can't fight the loving I have. Them a fight, but them can't fight the loving my heart. Chatty, to righteousness. I'm chatty.
Special request to Pat and the Posse.
Something name.
Ribbit.
Let them say
Jesus peace.
they want to see. Let them do what they want to do. Because a time gonna come when the
One.
have to run up and down.
A murder story.
They must be run up and down. Them a fight, but
say, Dick say, Harry say, Patsy say, Sonia say, Sandra say, Bridget say. Me never know how they say.
Daddy,
Lord of mercy.
I'm trying.
You know?
I'm trying.
How you go participation to the man called Philip Fraser, sticking in your body like a knife or dagger, and me call we called stagger. But right now music I ain't a flavor. Do it, man called Ace Select Wisely along with Jamboro Lone Ranger, Dirty Harry Tolo, along with Jim Kelly. Murder style. Hey, all and pull up now. You hear me now? What time now for you culture the people, let me know. Cause you have a post on a DJ and do slackness. What's your name? I know sign I will culture on. So, anywhere over people have to fall away. It's a shame. Because when I run out, them running. So,
When I run out, someone else will walk in.
noisy.
For your love,
I'm gonna sky.
for your release. When I run out, someone else will walk in. For your love, for your release. But after knowing you and your character too, he's gonna leave you just like I do. He's gonna leave you
Lord of mercy.
like I
Do it, Jack.
do. It's only a smile.
Special of course, the man called Don Carlos Mount, yeah, you know.
Makes any man wanna pick you up, girl. But after knowing you and your character too, he's gonna leave you just like I do.
Have mercy on them soldiers.
Gonna leave you.
Special of course, for all the people who know them have to worship Jah, you know, set speed. Kawa, down on your knees, I have to go. Cause only I can reap what I sow. But right now, Papa Jaro come to start the show. In on the dance about 20 past 9. Boom. In on the dance about 20 past 9. Cause oh my Lord, me say Savior divine. Me Papa used to work as a damn show shine. Me comfy, mash it in time, Lord in time. Hey, mash it in time, mash it in time. Say Piggy was a swine man, them live over the line. But come in on the dance, so much chat and some a rhyme. Me mix me lemon in me use quarter dozen lime. Me come in on the dance, pa me mind me feel fine. Comfy, ram it in time, Lord in time. Hey, jam it in time, Lord in time. Me love to see the girl them in a furlough tree. Them come a Papa Jaro start to steer pan way, but we not walk. And we the other this jockey, man we not talk. And we the other this jockey, one of them good about me. Hey, I'm go try cause Kelly. Hey, we might choke out the belly. Hey, I like rough and ready. Hey, we come to jam the rock steady. Hey, say people jamming on the party. Hey, we call them coming on the dance. Them Kimbo and pose. What do I say, Boro?
Yes. Well, Jah Rastafari. Good night to every good day. Dread, this one dedicated to Jah Wise and Art Pangla. Dedicate this one to Art Japan. Lovely nights, just hold on tight, squeeze them right. Right, classic party. What are them? Say, oh no, you may come here, me live and direct. Say, oh no, you may come here, me live and direct. Me still a chatting over the king days, Koseka. Say, Kelly and Burrow, them no take no check. No people, me lyrics on tape and cassette. And carry gun a shooter, do it live and direct. No for pink, blank, shut off, for Queen Elizabeth. The boy we do that, say that you came in the America. Say, oh no, you may come here, me live and direct. Say, oh no, you may come here, me live and direct. yes, we better than the rest. Me no beer water, wash clothes, you have to get it pressed. And anytime me tired, say me bound to take a rest. Me have girl a east and me have girl a west. Me have girl a south and me have girl a north. Borough tall, borough short, borough no outfit talk. No girl out there that can break. Borough hard, borough neat, borough sweet, borough no outfit with. Say every girl child want a skirt with the pleat. And every youth man want a crown for them need. But borough slim, borough trim, borough ride the rhythm. Me sit down on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. I tell you this a sound it a the king in a the ring. Me like girl fat man, me like them slim. But any girl me married get a expensive ring. The hunger thing is them to take the queen from the king down in a good. The better yes we better than the rest. Boom good. The better yes we better than the rest. Say on my way down to St. Elizabeth. Me fuck two girls say them want take set. Just show them a ear for me vice one cassette. Say one come from east and a one come from west. Say one near me bed and a one toilet. Say one wear truck shoes and a one wear ballet. Me like how she kiss and a how she caress. Me like how she feel up every earring on me chest. But yes, say yes, Papa Jaro are the best. Boom, yes, say yes, Papa Jaro are the best. Best down in the east, I'm on the best down in the west. The best down in the musical contest. Right, set it, my lion, style, fashion, and pattern. It's still we get to get to the King champion. It's our called Papa Jaro International. Man called Jim Kelly. Holy Pastor for the time of the area. I'm talking about Holy Malaya. Let's show you a little joke. Right, I tell them, bounty, yes. Flash him in the A, come flash it in the B, flash it in the C, all kind of style E. Me flash him in the A, come make me flash it in the B, me flash it in the C, all kind of style E. But in the me, lyrics born in the me, boomer. In the me, lyrics born in the me. From me heart, me liver straight to me kidney. It born in the me, fit on the mic MC. Say I am a youth, I am a 23. I work with Papa Jaro as a dish jockey. My sparring partner, him name is Kenny. But can't you see, yes, Jaja love me. Yes, can't you see, yes, Mama love me. Booma, can't you see, yes, Papa love me. Cause God make man and a man make money. Say God make the bee and the bee bring honey. Say God make woman does we have baby. But Satan is a man and is a cunning old fox. But if I catch him, I will lock him in a box. Say lock that box and throw away the key. For all those shit that he played and me. For all those shit that he played and me. Say 1, 2, 3. Say yes, it's me. I tell you Papa Burro is a Mike MC. Who no smoke bush herb and strictly sensei. And every day I'm muggling a Clark's 40. And every day I'm muggling a Nits Gansey. But no girl a talk out Burro fancy. Yes sir, holy body you want to flash it like me. Holy body you want to flash it like me. Me wear Celebel and Nits Gansey. Diamond socks and Clark's 40. Me control a girl from every party. Me control police and Swoji. Whoa.
Murder boy. Yeah. Lift up bar, call up up. Special request, I'm popping the minds to each and every one. Saying, lift up bar, all up full. Yeah, special request to the man called Tired Boya. Yeah, I'm special request to the man called Jim Kelly. Saying, I'm special request to the man called Shadow Man. Matapam, everyone, saying.
It's me for you, it's me. Look how me sexy, it's me. Galama do me, it's me. Look how me sexy, it's me. Gala fight over me. I get a work up a KCC. I get a work just strictly the city. Friday come me collect me money, it's me. Look how me sexy, it's me. Girl I fight over me, it's me. Look how me sexy. I have a heart and I have a kidney. Blood a circulate around me body. I have a heart and I have a kidney. Blood a circulate around me body. It's me. Look how me sexy. It's me. Girl I fight over me. It's me. For your eyes only. I have a heart and I have a kidney. Blood a circulate around me body. Blood a circulate around me body. She said the super duper drop it in the style. She said the super duper drop it in the style. Along with me princess Tasha, know you see. I love this trumpet, got it on the mic, you see. It's we in a category. It's me. I little dada shadow, you see.
Banadada, 60 million on me chalwa. He'll jam on me under roots and culture. Right here now me come fit tear down Jamaica. Will you your star? The thing called sense me, you know.
Oh, here come the man called Philip Fraser, sharp and a razor. Special request to some DJ who love to run from some rhythm. See it? Feel no way. Show it now. Right? Man called Philip Fraser. The thing called Goodbye My Love. Roots man style.
Do one call and say to the Kingston play that man called Jim Kelly man called Dirty the man called Burrow Long man to the man DJ Rasta the man I'm still away I'm 40 away Little later long the man come Lord we a jar that man called Little Johnny King and the shot man of the area Man every chance I'm 40 When my chairman take on the fool, we'll always follow. Come this up to party, take it and the jacket no starter. German listen me chat with the one and all. Whenever take me chat, me come to home time caller. And this a DJ say him no take me for a father. Cause ya am no strike him with a lightning father. You think poor for German, they wicked them to father. I prefer come a dance around my me love to be the cricket and me play a footballer. And every weekend me get me telephone caller. Me love technique and me love them smaller. And if my poop party me chat me one and the all. The all that them come up and
Wagwan ENT.
The only thing that I want to know is how some of them claim to come to start the show. Lord of mercy. The man called Philip Prince and walk up on the turntable. Away comes a special request to all the birds in the community. The man called you Griffiths, so don't gonna panic. I was about when you reach Titanic, you know. Do it, along with the man called Angel Select Wisely, along with the man called John Burrow, the man called Tolo, Danny Dread. Holy Pato, holy. I want you to hear me. Move it again. Lord of mercy, all and pull it so, all and pull it, all and pull it. What a tune nice. Listen to top in the bottom now. Put on that. Set tonight. Ruby tonight. I want a murder style. Live it up, Jeff. I want.
I'm just a man. Yes, I'm just a man. I'm just a man who will treat you good when you want. But the good loving, oh baby. Yes, I'm the man who will treat you right when you want.
Special request to secure the force, you know.
Oh yeah. Yes, I love you in every way, my love, and I will treat you the way that you want it to be treated, baby, just because I know you were made for me. Yes, I'm just a man who will give you some sexual healing, baby, when you want my squeezing, baby.
The man called you with a face, no special request to all the data who are linked up on the street. You see, from what in on the dance, some are getting well bright, but you hold them tight and you squeeze them right. Pumping rock to Papa Dara about midnight. Hey, ribbit me left and me say ribbit me right. Hey, ribbit me left and me say ribbit me right. Cause as a little youth me used to fly BG kite. Now as a big man me can go take my wife. We now fight. Hey, we now fight till German. We now fight. Hey, come on the dance, make we all unite. Hey, come on the dance, man, we tell you about the rights. Hey, Lord of mercy. Come and say some of them a fire shot all over the place. Say some of them a fire shot all over the place. The shot where you fire, man, it bound to go in waste. Hey, Lord of mercy. Chop it up, chop it up. How do man say burrow?
Yes, get around. Well now, Dread, you go flash it now some style, intelligent. Lord of mercy. What are them, Dread? For you feel cool. Tell them, can you feel cool? Come on, Lord, God, let me tell you, you feel cool. The contamination is policeman too. Lord, God, let me tell you, you feel cool. Lord, I say, tell me where you get your gun from. Come on, I beg you, tell me where you get your gun from now. Say, out and gun, get out and boom. Out and gun, get out and Jamaica is an island out of wood and water. All I know produce some good farmer. Some plant Pennsylvania, some plant banana. And send it on a parade for Bushmaster. And bring it on the island, become wipe out of Mara. And bring it on the island, become wipe out of Mara. Cause when them a go tell me, Lord God, Jaja, yes sir. Out and gun, get out and boom. Out and gun, get out and jump on a man, go ask a question. Say, tell me where you get your gun from. And up on them a tell me, say that when I'm right, them a tell me that me wrong. Cause when I'm weak, them a tell me that me strong. You speak for your right, them about the Remington. You speak for your right, them about the Remington. You don't really run, them me shoot you to the ground. Jamaica is an island in the sun, but all I see is just competition. And every day it shoot another little them shoot down man, them kill half woman, and all them start and they young so rebel. Say that me just 19, but me no reach 21. Me just 19, but me no reach 21. Say this a DJ and the Pupatayana. Say you go me there uncle this a my king and me Anna. Kalanga, go papa up your wanna. Kalanga, go papa up your wanna. Me just 19, but me no reach 21. Say this a DJ and the Pupatayana. Say you go me there uncle this a my king and me Anna. Kalanga, go broke out your wanna. Kalanga, go broke out your one. You cannot repeat me and you cannot repeat me photo, Lord. Repeat me and you cannot repeat me photo. No repeat me and your outer it me a go look. If you want me and you know me ball forward. Repeat it. Lion fashion. 10 million for Zion. To be present and 1 million for Millions don't play, you know, star. Champion say last, lion, fashion.
All stars, still a man called Hieroglyphics. You know, hear that tune, yeah? Listen to that tune, my brother. Hold on for your thing now, Kawa. You see, I love a selection, they say it. Right. Special request to Pee Wee and the man like John Wise. The thing called Ali Ole. Hold on for your woman. Even if you over your brand. Ruby. Happy about it. Lord of mercy. Go on. Listen, you know, a business time now, you know, every lovers get together now, you know, hold on for your thing now, Kawa. You see, I love a selection, they say it. Right. Special request to Pee Wee and the man like John Wise. The thing called Ali Ole. Hold on for your woman. Even if you over your brand. Ruby. Happy about it. Lord of mercy. Go on. Vibes, level vibes, set speed liar, settings. Sing a song. Sing a song. Let me hear you say yeah. To the Jara Pass, remember that on the 19th of this month, all will lead to the place called Seaview Road, right up in Stone Hill, you know. You give me participation to our play, Lord of Mercy. Hold on for your thing now. Hey! You know style and also. Do it, yeah. Hey! Say don't throw it all away. Hey! Come and say I don't wanna be the one who's gonna have to beg him to stay. Hey, come and say I don't wanna be the one to change your mind before time. Hey, say please stay. Hey, it all away. Lord, hey, me feel the vibes, man, me really feel the vibes. Hey, me feel the vibes, man, me really just arrive. Said this is what me doctor him subscribe. The river me be deep, man, the river me be wide. A whole heap of land upon the love inside. Hey, in me mind, Jaja know me feel fine. This a DJ in my chat, Jaja know no have to rhyme. Cause anything me have, me say it really have to rhyme. Hey, say on me mind, Jaja know me feel fine. Me not eat the flour, it will make me body bind. Me father used to work as a damn shoe shine. Me lick them out of daylight saving time. Now we flash them in a Eastern Standard Time. Hey, it in a time, Lord God, it in a time. Hey, it in a time, Lord God, it in a time. Say mix me lemonade, me use quarter dozen lime. Say cooking me food, me use me scallion and timer. Me do love the difference, say not even the blind. Jamadala, man, we come fi flash it in time. If you love it, do it in time forward. A murder style. How the man say John Wayne?
Yes, so. I'm going to mind to say 50 upstairs. See? I'm going to mind to say 50 upstairs. Play it on talking about, get it. Play the one chap, let's go get my judgment. DJ. For we are super duper, the whole way are super duper. It's either the wedding or the Pasadena. Jamaica, me born in Kingston, Jamaica. And when me hold them at me tear down Jamaica. For words when me flash it on the roots of culture. For we are super duper, the whole way are super duper. Me gone up the road, me bump to bubble. Them ask me how when me get so much nature. Jaman rock to me feet from the Steve Doctor. For some time me eat up the cucumber. For some time me eat up the sumba. It's either the way me confidence the area. Lord, mix me down the board. Play it without talking about it. Play the one chap, you're talking about international. Let me tell you about the somebodies and we come on up, because the man come into your militant play. Along with that, they will name at your boss DJ. You come in and they dance and you play it and we me say. For me can never go up, people make love stay. For me can never keep on shining bright along the way. For me say why do fools fall in love? The blessing falls from above. Why do fools fall in love? Tell me why. I want you to tell me why. Rasta, lift it up back. I can't deny the room now. Boy, I can't settle down for the mic, boy. Can't settle down for the mic. Now you might play a different style. We'll go with different style. Rasta, the man that will settle down, he says. Just come into the room, somebody.
Seems to me no matter who I take the wrong time to do it. Seems to me no matter who I take, so you just let me take her too. Cause I could throw my ear and walk the fly. I could feel inside. That little girl, she's getting me crazy. I'll say each and every day. You never break the woman and she, but you might hurt the child. You never break the woman and she, but you keep the man with me. Oh boy, I really don't like it. Cause I'm telling you, man. Hey, sleeping one night when the father beat the night. Said I wanted to be another follower of mine. Not Cock up your ear and live for right to style. You will be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I have the family. Hey, food him on it and clothes him on it. Never had a bus fear, not a red cent around. I took a walk downtown and job must be found. Tell them here, freaky people need not a plan. No one, no old nigga, no Rastafari. Hey, take up a camp, have a sip, my son. Cause I will be back with the application. Equality and justice stand for all. Discrimination against Rastafari. Great Mr. Wicked, go run like him. Danny Dread represents the Almighty God.
The living Jah, Itinawale. The man can't go on. He wants to Itinawale, yo. Still here, the team man of Song Killamanjaro International. Yeah, you know, the man called aims to select wisely, honest, more militant, you know. One.
Sweet luxury
Drifter.
is an African dream. See,
Wagwan ENT.
luxurious life is an African dream.
Let's call you Griffin, you know.
Oh yes, an African dream. From the day that I was born,
Dedicated to the Johnson Posse,
an
the
African
Sponglass
dream.
Posse, the Old Posse. Let's go on to life.
My mother, when she talks of the way, oh yeah, and Sunday, so sweet, luxurious life is an African dream. Oh yeah.
Place bound the musical sound, but in the way come down on me, down with the music, down in the rubber, down in the rubber.
Sweet luxurious life is an African dream.
Went to John school and I do a circle long in a business kind of go on somewhere, you know. When I feel no way so, you and I know. No for lyrics, go on. So sit one more time, music come, so we do it on so night time. You know. Bring down down. Go barren them, the one on them, barren them, the one on them, barren them. Oh! Goodness gracious! Drifter! Up music down, shop, down, and I'll be the mama jack to the very last drop. Going down, scum, but drifter when I rub it down, stand like Tino Wale. Man calls him killing on when I'm undone. Now who is the king of kings? The Lord God, mighty pulling back. Want to steal from thy brethren vineyard. Shamba sweet to thy mouth, but bitter to thy stomach. And to steal from thy own vineyard. Shamba sweet to thy mouth and bitter to thy soul. I will see that you could get in a rubber down style. This sound drip down, we know what I'm style. My way down, drip down, we know what I'm style. Oh, black people down, beg you stop your running wild. Cannot keep on the people. Cannot keep on the people. So let me tell you this sound drip down, we know what I'm style. Gentleman, drip down, we know what I'm style. One. Upper office where the sound is stated. And upper here and the lyrics originated. And Papa Danny man a real heavyweight. Only old man we abrasive punch-houses. Want me to cock up Papa White dances. Man you want to come feel me advances. Man I me no like a visit the screw faces. Some of them are some them can't get from them cases. Drip down with one another love style. Lead. Drip down with one another love style. Lead, baby G. Go on. The song called Killamanjaro, the road up stand at Wale. The man called Jim Kelly and I parent front of him along Iowa. Now we come. The man called you give a selection at Wale. Look it up, John. Special request everyone in the session. The thing called You're my cool operator. Do it, Jack.
My name is you, Griffin.
You
And I
know
know that you love my music. Oh, baby, sweet reggae music.
Special request after that, they go put it on them. To everyone in the session, the place called Lovely.
Oh, baby. That I wish that you were my baby. You were my cool, my cool. Girl, I love you forever. You are my sweet, sweet, sweet Cinderella. I love you, baby, yes I do. I ain't got no money, baby. No silver, no dime, baby. All I want from your honey is you to love me all the time, baby. I love the way you romance me. I love the way that you kiss me. I love the way that you love me.
Listen to the question. To everyone in the session, the place called Lovely.
Oh, baby. That I wish that you were my baby. You are my cool, my cool. Girl, I love you forever. You are my sweet, sweet, sweet Cinderella. I love you, baby, yes I do. I ain't got no money, baby. No silver, no dime, baby. All I want from your honey is you to love me all the time, baby. I love the way you romance me. I love the way that you kiss me. I love the way that you treat me. You're my cool operator. Girl, I wish you were mine. Oh, baby. Said I wish that you were my baby. You are my cool operator. Yes, I love you.
Good sounds call. The man called Jawise, promote you wanted. The week of the Rubber Dome style part 2. Dreadlocks, so why I listen to them style, yeah, cause you see, I and I were around this a sound, yeah. Now follow DJ, see? Strictly original lyric star. Who on me a produce, part about, yeah, you know? Bring down, the wall of London, 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 one. Me say no laugh for the uncat man. Jaman you no feel laugh for the uncat man. Boom. Me say no laugh for the uncat man. Jaman you no feel laugh for the uncat man. Boom. Because the uncat man is an important man. The uncat man is an important man. Me never see a uncat with no engine. Never see a uncat with no engine. Only a nice steering and four bearing. A nice steering and four bearing. The driver on a back man a pure muggling. Him having coke and man a pure shouting. No laugh for the uncat man. Jordan one, no laugh for the uncat man. But give me man, not about electric. I done the dread originated. So let me know, me big, me bad, me double stipple. The first record me do a lemon popsicle. And me we rocking for the lame, and me we rocking the cripple. Me rocking for the baby who a suck the nipple. Every gunshot where fire come through the nozzle. The first record me do a lemon popsicle, but just cool, nobody cool. So just cool. We are the borough out here.
Rabbit, set it, my lion, Lord of mercy. Well, now, Dread, he come out, do play the bling all over. Some shooter one style, Lord. Tell the world about this. Tell the nation about that. Yes, you tell the world about this. Tell the nation about that. You tell them that the conqueror has come. You tell them that the general has come. You tell them that the governor has come. You tell them that the borough has come. Papa Jaro bring joy to your soul. Say Papa Jaro, oh boy, yes. This old man, he play one. The king DJ name Borough Bantan. But anyway, me got you know me cock obsession. With lyrics in me mouth, I'm on the mic in my hand. This old man, he play too. The DJ speaking is Daddy Borough. I never get down until 1982. You dig out, you know no better than the Bogo. This old man, he play three. Well, I am the DJ with the tiny body. Girls nowadays love them and believe me. Some from Kingston, some are Mochi. This old I don't take bribe. This old man, he plays six. Well, I as a DJ born as a chemist. Say most clothes me wear it off a full up a zip. When liberty it come true, careless place. One.
Well, Jet, up to the vibe, go see. I don't like how certain vibes are only people up level. Play by the round on the bed together, right? Come and say, heal Jaman, Jeddah, heal Jaman, Jeddah, heal Jaman, for I'm a Kingston, you know. In case you never know what to chant this session, but every DJ say my lyrics bandana, and every DJ say him a one in a million, but I'm a pupa tolo one in the nation. In case you never know why I'm the my magician, and it's a DJ I sing the race ration. In case you never know what come to give you fashion, just I man. In case you never know what you can fit the Rasta man. Me say the Rasta man I live on Mount Zion. We put part of love in a combination. Me shot it with the woman, say Jaman a fit the man. In case you never know, Jam Jung a fit me island. Me say me born with the mic in me hand. I in me left and there was an invitation. Jaman me say me born as a round dance man. Come me so put party in the round session. Come me so put party in the Jaman say we will kill them, pandy with them. Say we will kill them, pandy with them. Me say in case you never know, we come fi ride the rhythm. Jaman we chant it fit the pattern and so fit the shimmer. Anytime we chant we keep the dance groove in them and fi dance when we ride the rhythm. Jaman me same Jim boy, me come fi tell you everything. Me same Jim boy, me come fi tell you everything. But if you're happy and you love it, say something. Got all nicer than a sweet sugar dumpling. Me say me chat and feed the hidden so the virgin. And anything me chat me keep the dance grooving. Me sing Jim Jeddah. We come to tell you everything. Look at the man called Jim Kenneth and Devin style.
Australia on the man called Hugh Griffiths. Now you got a thing called Take Up the Bible. Special request to all the people them who well humble. Remember your name and go walk up and stumble, you know. Right? Hugh Griffiths selection. Do it, yeah. Everybody bounce on like that. The Killamanjaro, the best boat, yeah. Couple nice up the area. Go on. Ribbit style. Man called Ainsley.
Take up your Bible. Take it up. Read from Genesis down to Exodus. Hey, take up your Bible. Take up your Bible. If you are Jaja's disciple. Take up your Bible. Come on, take up your Bible.
One can't get to select wisely. Along with that Jim Kelly, you know.
You really have to be humble.
Ribbit.
You really have to be humble.
Well humble star.
We go a Mount Zion to see Jalaya.
What is it right now, Jim Kelly? I'm not
Take
like
up your Bible.
I'm telling you about it.
Why should we fuss and fight? It's better to unite to see Jalaya. Instead of use a gun and shoot your brother down. Let them burn. Let them burn.
Play it, Mama Sound like that, the Killamanjaro.
Take up your Bible.
Little thing come to wipe away your sorrow.
Read from Genesis down to Exodus. Even Revelation. You hear me, Jamal?
Remember, in each and every one heart, them really have to humble. No see it and not to walk and grumble. Special request to all the naughty dreadlocks. I'm gonna thing called the Bible style, you know. Every day I never give thanks and praise star, cause our Jah keep on, you know. Yeah, say read your Bible. Bang for the lay, you can read up your Bible. So long down God down to me, Jah make me humble. Heal Jah man, be me Jah man, him humble. Bang for the lay, because a chapter where they keep all evil away. No give no prayer to the devil, I say. Make up me not the dance, make up me rock it same way. Cause as a MC, judge I know me no play read up your Bible. But I read up your Bible. Lord, come and reach Genesis, me know what major I give. Me reach Exodus, me know me come here by a bus. But enough in the dance, judge I know me no bus. Read up your Bible. Bang bang bang, but read up your Bible. Tell them, Lord, because anywhere me go, me know Jah guide me. I see you and you see me. You come in on the dance, now you feel irate. Car in your pocket, if you have enough money, read up your Bible. Bang, read up your Bible. Do it, Chalana, read up your Bible. We come still yet in a Rootsman selection, the final Eugraphics. Cause right now we come for flash it. We sound like that the Killamanjaro, the 1983 champion. The girls them choice, and I'm gonna go on like the mice, you know. Do it, miserable. Ribbit. All put it up, them selector. When you see the star, special request to all the sex maniacs. We don't want the sex maniacs about you, see? Set speed, level vibe. Everyone hold on upon them things, see? Business time.
You must understand. You must share man.
I don't do that. This one dedicated to the cat called Marlene and a Smoky Veil posse. Just
she's a rebel woman.
well, Jen, all of the lofters, them, I can't take the heat in a star. Some man does a come in your ears like how for JBC, them there lodge a complaint, see? Clear the room, lion, cause what the vibes. The vibes, you just a feel the vibes now, you know. I feel now, we just a feel the vibes. And too much man attack now we hear, see? Entertainers only inside a star, and I feel now we hear. Enough tune later. Bout ya. Special request to all the man them from security, you know. Bout ya. See?
You must share man. See,
flash it.
He's a rebel woman. He's a rebel woman. I said you must understand.
Special request to all the single man called General Flow. Flash it so.
You must help me share
Flow, come in now. See?
He's a rebel woman. He's a rebel woman.
Play band on the Killamanjaro.
He's a rebel.
I ain't no stealing and I ain't no borrow. Original lyrics. Well, trend.
See you roam in the street.
To the mountains. Lord of mercy. Hey, tell them. Hey, warn them. Hey, teach them. Hey, show them.
Me's a rebel woman. Me's a rebel woman. It's better to settle down.
Speak up with all. The thing that wear on them skirt, you know, miniskirt business. Level vibes.
You ain't no clown. You're my African girl. Rebel woman.
What do you think, Carl?
Me.
Tell them a singer. The thing called Miserable Woman. You see if I buy a house way up on a hill, and a big pretty motor car, the girl still a stick up on my body like any hot tar, you know? But what? Back off with that. Power soap. You're the style now. I wanted them super duper, get them out, ayy. When they said I wanted them super duper, get them out, ayy. Nobody come in on the dance and you a run off your mouth. You hear Papa Jaro, you a jump and shout. Say as a little youth, me was a true boy scout. But one of them super duper, get them out, ayy. I'ma say one of them super duper, get them out, ayy. Because they girl them in a dance dancing off it them in the skirt. Them coming up they dance over the dish them pay dirt. Car in them heart judge and know them feel hurt. But I want them super duper get them out, eh. Me said I want them super duper get them out, eh. Cause every night she wash my ends in dreams. Since I met her from the start, eh. Say I'm so proud I am the only one who's so special in her life. The girl is mine. Tell them, Lord of mercy, knock it up because the doggone girl is mine. Welcome to Kingston for a dirty E20. Hey, in a day dance we have the lyrics plenty. Never try to DJ for me empty belly. But some power fi run it like a bubble quarry. But me say, one of them super duper get them out. Me said I want them super duper get them out, Lord. Cause it's a road black. Me said no one to come back no more, no more, no more, no more. It's a road black. Me said no one to come back no more. Ahora vamos a bolo.
Yes, Mr. Kelly. Well, now, John, some style. Play by the champion town of the school by world. The champion town count the most girl. I'm gonna use most time. I'm gonna use pearl. But what about the own that never been shown? Lord, hey, revenge. Me mama, you know that. Dreadlocks not gonna live with cradle. Can I tell you not to dreadlocks not gonna live with cradle? Can I tell you not to dreadlocks not gonna run with cradle? Yes, becoming of a little girl by the name of Gretel. She could not never reach a man, she could not never smell. She come me like the living Satan down a hell. I beg you, rock them so repeated, you rock them so well me too. Good for ever too, bad for hell. But we're in this world, should have Papa borrowed well. Not the dreadlocks not gonna live with cradle. Them live up on your back like a goddamn Jezebel. Them sting like a scorpion, yes, them bad no hell. Me wish her farewell, say me only can tell. Say every night she gone over Pegasus Hotel. I tell you what a hell when the belly starts swell. Bima, but man the girl them just a go some way. Jah know me have to ask if I saw them really stay. You big one not dance, they want a food right away. You big one not sex, they want play every day. Yes, but you feel mark my word, you know the time I go tell. Say mark my word, you know the time I go tell. Not teach it, not deal with y'all, we sell themselves. Them sell themselves like a milk on the shelf. Them sell themselves like a sardine off the shelf. You pay $1.50, take it off for the shelf. You pay $1.50, get a one for yourself. I tell you not to dreadlocks, not go deal with cradle. Can't tell you not to dreadlocks, not go deal with pancoat. Can't tell you not to dreadlocks, not go deal with pancoat. Yes, but you fi tell me the truth for my little youth. Say tell me the truth for my little youth. Make me buy him a third world boat. And girl, make me buy him a khaki suit. Yes, say not the dreadlocks, not go deal with pancoat. Cause anywhere them sit down fly and them a shoot. Until you not the dreadlocks, not go deal with cradle. Cause until you not the dreadlocks, not go deal with cradle. Come on now, beg you, rock them so repeat, beg you, rock them so well me too. Bad for ever too, good for hell. But we're in this world, should have Papa borrowed well. Not the dreadlocks, not go deal with cradle. Can't tell you not the dreadlocks, not go deal with cradle. You kiss one of them for your tonsil going swell. You kiss one of them for your tonsil going swell. Lord of mercy. Said to my lion, play by the mount sound and I beg you get around. Well, slightly mixing up the musical selection for the first time for the night. The man called John Holt. And black people I do keep on playing about the champion sound of the old world world. The champion sound called Papa Jaro International. The man called Kelly. The man called John Wayne. Man called Papa Boy on the microphone center. Man called Angel, a crucial operator. The bass on the sound and equator. Rabbit. Sit it, Malayana. All kind of style, kind of crucial, wicked and wild. Man called John Holt Selection and black people are biggest step in moderation on our famous song called Killamanjaro International. What they come and do play them is good like the participation style, and a boy can't stop me from going 3 miles. You know my born as a disciplined child and a cool profile. Man can't know where they want to up front by the man can't keep killing now. What are them dread? Man called John out to that channel, and I play body bounce sound, and I beg you gather around. Me say one, say two, operator that I yo. Me love part one, but for rough prefer part two. Seconds after the year, them a resources so. As on the day come, say them want something new. They want it in a black jam and they want it in a blue. Say girls like you, me no want for sure. But three, say four, you fi come through me door. I tell you, Papa Burrow have a lyrics on the score. Me lyrics, them not like this alpha sure. But a five, say six jam and me full on lyrics. Me bun toes, flip and then me lick me chalice. Me take me skipping up and then me start it to skip. Me jump over, press it, no drop down in a hit. Me tell them Papa Burrow, they came missing a this. Say from me child so straight up to me hip. Say most clothes me wear it off a full up a zip. While the party it come to carelessness. The smell bad pussy them no use body miss. For 7, say 8 you fi come to me gate. Say come early and I beg you stay late. Say bring along your cassette and you bring along your tape. Cause when you go home I borrow you and imitate. Say great is great, could I never underrate. But it's originated and predominate.
What one
While a lot of
ENT?
DJs start imitate. Say 9, say 10 you fi bring your girlfriend. Cause I as a youth me no borrow, me no lend, me come again. Come fi really want them, me come again. And so me come fi tell them. So that when I was a youth I know I used to specialize. They want me to chat for King Tubby's hi-fi. But those hands are started to get on the go. They want me go change for the sound Virgo. But everywhere me go, me hear about Burrow. Me bite out the sting of the Scorpio. Me born Sensimania in a Rizla. I start me career from black over. Me step down a park, figure take a photograph. The owner of the serograph, he want me autograph. But now me turn a super, me stop action. I chatted for this uncle Papa Jaro hi-fi. Yeah, you know, well he come to man like Jim Kelly in a style.
Special request to Pone and a man like John Wise. Special request for all Cali weed vendor. You see if you try to burn out the weed them. Oh, Lord of mercy. Special request to the man called Skanka and all Uptown Heights and all the Jaro family. Hear that tune, yeah? A special request to the cameraman both here. It's a flacking flash, you know. No photograph in our album after it done, you know. Ribbit. Listen to tune, you dread. Special request to all the good Cali vendor. I see the mountain, Lord of mercy.
Police in helicopter, searching marijuana. Policemen in the street, searching for Cali weed. Policemen in the field, burning the Cali weed.
Well now, Jed, this one dedicated to all dreadlocks, dedicated to all urbanists where they are born in split for your lick your chalice, dedicated to all herdsmen where they plant sensibility upon the land. They think on the police and I the captain. Consumption marijuana, murder. Man can't down out to election and I don't keep my blade on the kid champion and black people. I beg you step in my direction.
Police in helicopter,
Right.
searching marijuana.
Look at that.
Policemen in the street, searching for Cali weed. Policemen in the field, burning the Cali weed. If you continue to burn up the herb, we gonna burn down the tin field.
Judge on where I am.
Continue to burn up the herb, we gonna burn down the tin field. Police in helicopter, searching marijuana. Policeman in the field, burning the Cali weed. Policeman on the streets, searching for Cali weed. If you continue to
dedicate this one to all Spangler. Man culture, why is not spirit from New York?
Searching marijuana.
Man culture now. Police in a helicopter. Condemn us searching marijuana.
Searching the alleyway. If you continue to burn up the herb, we're gonna burn down your green field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we're gonna burn down your green field. Police in helicopter.
And them are searching since a million. Why, Jamani? I don't know if I don't joke, because I'm gonna keep smoke. If we keep on smoke on the week, it's gonna go down. No way. Man, play body bounce on. And black people are making it, you gonna get around, I don't even like to go on the clown. Do it, John. Police in a helicopter. And them are searching marijuana. Police in a helicopter. So make me tell you, them are searching marijuana. Well, look at that, Kadisa. Special request I say to all urban. Say when down on your street around the cute chalice. Says when down on your street around the cute chalice yard. Special request I say to all herbs man who burn sense in them on the lawn. Cotillion is
Wagwan ENT.